Okay, so guys, now we have to solve this question in which we have to find the derivative of y is equal to x root a plus x divided by root a minus x with respect to x. Okay, now first of all I would like to simplify it. Now let's just see, and root a plus x divided by root a minus x. Now everything is okay, but this x over here is not under a root. Everything present over here is present inside a root. So I want this x to be inside a root so that I can solve it more easily. Okay, so how can I do that? You know that root is what? Root is actually power 1 by 2, right? So if I am able to add a power 1 by 2 on this x, then I would be successful in adding a square root over x. Okay, so how can I do that? If I just write x square multiplied by 1 divided by 2, this would actually give me, it would give me x squared root, right? And you can verify that because if you just simplify it, it would become x, and this is our x. So I can write root x square over here. Now what would be the effect of writing this root x square over here? Just see, this is a minus x, this is a plus x, and this a plus x is multiplied by root x square. If two square roots are being multiplied, we can actually write them under one root, right? So how can I write this one? It would be a plus x multiplied by x squared, right? And in the bottom we have root a minus x. This x square is multiplied by a, it would give me ax square plus x square multiplied by x, that would give me x cube, divided by a minus x, and these terms are being divided and the square roots are separated, right? So I can actually write them under one root. This is the most simplified version of this question. Okay, so I think that everything is clear over here. Now we can go ahead and find the derivative of this function. And by the way, feel free to give this question a shot, and after that you can watch me solving this question and check your answers. Power 1 by 2, right? So ax square plus x cube is power 1 by 2. So when there is an exponent and there is a function, so how can I write this one? Ax square plus x cube divided by a minus x as it is, and in the exponent we have 1 upon 2 minus 1. It would give me negative 1 by 2. Negative 1 by 2. And now the derivative of the angle. Okay, so d by dx, what is the angle? Ax square plus x cube 1 divided by 2. Now we do not have to change anything over here, so let's just rewrite this term as it is, a minus x negative 1 by 2. Let me just do it over here. This would be my fx, this would be my gx, right? I can simplify it using the differentiation formula, multiplied by the derivative of the first function minus the first function multiplied by the derivative, and the bottom we have a minus x whole squared, a minus x, right? What would be the derivative of ax square plus x cube? D by dx. Ax squared, a is a constant, multiplied by the variable, it would be a 2x, so it would be 2ax plus 3x squared. And how it would be 3x squared? Of course the derivative of x cube would be 3x power 3 minus 1, it would be 3x squared. Okay, minus ax squared plus x cube, derivative of any constant is actually equal to 0. Remember, over here the constant was being multiplied by the variable x. Okay, so the derivative was 2ax, but over here the derivative is being multiplied by the constant as a whole. There is no variable. So if the derivative is being multiplied directly to a constant, the derivative of any constant would be 0. The derivative of minus x, it would be negative 1. Simple. A minus x squared. Let's just multiply these terms over here. 2a square x minus 2a x squared plus 3ax squared minus 3x cubed. Negative sign multiplied by positive. Ax square plus x cube. In the bottom we have a minus x whole square. Okay, 2a square x to nothing, 2x square, 3ax square. This would be in ax square, positive 1ax square. Okay, 3 minus 2 is actually 1, of course, and 1 plus 1, it would be 2a square x, my positive 2ax square, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2x cube, divided by a minus x whole square. And if I just take out the 2's common, it would be 2. Also the x common, because the x is present in every term. So 2x is common. Now a square plus x plus, sorry, negative x square divided by a minus x whole square. This would actually be ax because the a hasn't been taken out common over here. So I can actually write ax. Okay, now I have ax over here. And first of all, let's deal with this term. I cannot simplify this thing further, so I'm just going to multiply these terms. 1 divided by 2, ax square plus x cube divided by a minus x, and let's just distribute the powers separately. Negative 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 x multiplied by a square plus ax minus x square, and in the bottom we have a minus x whole square. So this 2 is cancelled by this one, and a minus x squared. Now let's just multiply these terms. We have ax square plus x cube power negative 1 by 2 a square plus ax minus x square divided by minus x power negative 1 by 2, this one, then a minus x squared, this one. And you can see when the bases are same, the powers are added. 2 minus 1 by 2 would be 3 by 2. So ax square plus x cube minus 1 by 2 a square plus ax minus x square divided by a minus x 3 by 2, and this is not the derivative. First of all, you have to reciprocate this term, and the bottom a minus x 3 by 2 multiplied by this thing is actually present in the negative form, so if I reciprocate it, it would become positive. Okay, thanks, bye.